Hey everyone! So let's talk about the filter formula. The filter formula is used to return a filter set of values from a defined criteria. It has a similar function to the filter in the toolbar, but is more powerful when working with data. We have a list of game players and the scores here. Let's say it's a video game, and first we can use it to filter number values. Let's filter out players who have a score at least 80. So we type equal filter. First, we select the range of data we want to return, then the column with criteria we want to filter. So here's the score. For criteria, we put greater or equal to 80. Now we have a list of people with a score at least 80. So let's try 90. We have Julie and Wesley. Next, we can use it to filter text string. Let's filter out players from New York. In the criteria, we use double quote for the text to filter. We have 3 players. We can also filter by days. Let's say we want to filter the record days from September. In the criteria, we set the range is greater than, and we use the date formula to create a date format. 2024, August 31st. Now we have 2 players. We can also filter multiple criteria in one formula. For example, we want to find players have at least 80 in score and from New York. We add a second filter after a comma in the formula. Let's do one more example. Let's filter players from New York and have record dates from August. Now we have 1 player. We can sort the data as well by using the sort formula. Let's change back to the player list with at least 80 in score, and sort the list by score. We put sort before the filter formula, and after the filter formula, we put the sort column, which is the second column. And we put 2. If we want it in ascending order, we put true, otherwise we put false. Now the table is sort. Let's try to put true for ascending order. And here we are. We can also use the unique function together to filter our list with unique values only. So we can put unique in front of the filter formula. There's one more useful trick we can use in filter formula. Now we have a list of players with at least 85 in score. We want to arrange the columns in the return. We can use curly brackets to set the orders. For example, to return countries first, then the names, and lastly the score. So here we are. Alright, so these are some basic usage of the filter formula.